Alam mo ba, 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 alam mo ba? Alam mo ba, 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 alam mo ba? Alam mo ba, 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 alam mo ba? Alam mo ba, alam mo ba, alam mo ba? Magandang araw, kamusta po kayo? Ako po si Darna, ang host at creator ng Buhay Tuklas. Samahan niyo po ako sa mga pagtuklas at pagpapakilala at dagdag kaalaman para sa inyong mga manunood ng YouTube video. Nais kong makapagbigay ng saya at konting kaalaman sa inyo bilang isang tagalikha. Halina't samahan niyo ako sa isa na namang pagtuklas at pagpapakilala at ating alamin ang pinagmulan. Ann Curtis net worth, $10 million. What is Ann Curtis net worth? Ann Curtis is a Filipino-Australian actress, television host, VJ, and recording artist who has a net worth of $10 million. Ann Curtis was born in Yarrawonga, Victoria, Australia in February 1985. She has hosted the television series It's Showtime since 2009. Curtis has starred in the TV series Hiram from 2004 to 2005, Kampanerang Kubo in 2005, Maging Sino Ka Man from 2006 to 2007, Diyosa in 2008, The Wedding in 2009, Green Rose in 2011 and Kailangan Ko'y Ikaw in 2013. Since 2014 na she has starred as Jezebel in the TV series Mars Ravlo's Jezebel. Curtis starred in the 2011 movie No Other Woman which earned her a FAMAS Award for Best Actress. She has also starred in the movies Baler in 2008, Babe, I Love You and In Your Eyes in 2010, and A Secret Affair in 2012. Curtis has also won a Metro Manila Film Festival Award. She has been nominated for 3 FAMAS Awards, 3 PMPC Star Awards for Movies, 6 PMPC Star Awards for TV, and 2 Luna Awards. Curtis released the studio albums Ambisyosa in 2011 and The Forbidden Album in 2014. In 2014 Ann was forced to settle a back tax case with authorities in the Philippines. She ultimately agreed to pay $2 million in back taxes and penalties. Court records showed that Ann reported that she earned around $5 million between 2010 and 2012. Key financial advisors ultimately revealed the actual number was closer to $7 million. She blamed the error on her accountants. Mag-subscribe sa aming channel para sa higit pang nakakangganyo na makasaysayang nilalaman at tiyaking pindutin ang notification bell upang hindi makaligtaan ang isang update. I-like, ibahagi, at iwanan ang iyong mga saloobin sa seksyon ng mga komento sa ibaba. Salamat sa pagsama sa amin sa nakakapagpapaliwanag na paglalakbay na ito. Hanggang dito na lang mga katuklas ko at umaasa po ako na napasaya ko kayo at nakapagbigay ako ng konting kaalaman. Kung nagustuhan po ninyo ang content inaanyayahan ko po kayo na mag-subscribe at hit the notification bell para sa mga bagong video na aking ilalabas at paki-like na rin po ang video bilang tulong at pagsuporta sa Buhay Tuklas. Maraming salamat po and God bless.